Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about my use case experiment number 5, that is state chart diagram. So first I'll show you what we need to do. So what is my objective? So state chart diagram objective. State chart diagram also defines the state diagram are used to document the various module state. So in this diagram uh, we need to use different state of my system, that is can class can go through, and the event and the course state transition where we need to put every transition. So we need to tell that if this transaction will happen, my system goes from this state to another state. That is my uh, state chart diagram in simple words. So we need some element, that is first is state. So the state notation mark a mode of the entity, and it is indicating using a rectangle with rounded corner and the state name written inside, and we need to return state name inside my rectangle. And we have a transaction, and transaction make the change of the object change caused by an event. The notation for the transaction is an arrow with the event name. So with the arrow we need to write some event name or below along with the arrow. The initial state. The initial state is the state of an object before any transition for object. This could be the state with instantaneous. The initial state is marked using a solid circle. Only one state initial state is allowed in the diagram. So initial is the state which will tell from where we need to start. For each diagram we have only one state, one initial state, final state, and mark and state mark the destruction of the object whose state are bounding. This state are drawn using a solid state with the surrounding circle. So we need to make one circle with one hollow circle. So telling this is my final state. So we need to. So what is the algorithm for making this thing? We need to identify the state of the transaction diagram. We need to change from one state to another. If something happen, we need to make a link between the states and the with message. And last, we need to terminate the after procedure. This is my for e-commerce. I'll show you here. So this is my state diagram for my e-commerce. So it is for product. So user want to purchase some products. It is for that. So this circle is telling this is our initial state. Initial state product is available. So after product purchased by the user select some product. So means you want to purchase some product. So user selected product and product is selected. After project select, user select purchase product. So product is purchased. Now my state is come to product purchase state. So after purchase by the user, we need to display product not available. And that is our final state, because if product is purchased by the user. I hope you understand state diagram. Thank you.